Hey guys, it's Mary, and look what came today that's not an advent calendar door. It is the auto ship, I think it's number 4 from Diamond Press, and it's the mixed media kit. So let's open this baby up. It is the Valentine's kit, so it should have some very cool colors in it. Here we go. Or not. Sorry for all the noise. Oops. Ooh, purple. You know I love purple. Let's get rid of this. Scratchy plastic. My goodness. All right, so let's take a look at the colors we've got because they look absolutely amazing. I see purple. All right. Okay. Purple is in the screen print ink. And then we've got, this is a very hot pink fuchsia in screen print. And in our glitter, we've got teal. Oh my goodness, look at those colors. They are just amazing. Look at that. And then we've got our jar of texture and our jar of sticky paste. And our acrylic is teal. I always make this so teal, rose, and yellow. So, all right, so let's see what we got here. We always have the same instructions as always, just in case you lose the last 5 instruction sheets. So we won't worry about that. All right, let's put these aside. Let's take a look at our stamps. Hugs, bestie, you are to my miss you, XOXO, and is the sweetest bestie. Oh, love, wishing you, to you day, be mine, sending is forever. Kisses, you are cutie pie, I love you, and happy. So lots of different words make lots of different combinations. And then let's go ahead and see the big stencils this time first. We only have 2 of these left. If you've got the auto ship, we've got February and then April. So that way. All right, so we've got roses. Very, very pretty. Nice big open roses. Vintage heart. And then heart drop. And so it's the bigger hearts, and then there's different size hearts, and then it's less and less and less. So that's pretty cool. That would look great on a Valentine's Day layout, scrapbook layout. All right, so that's our big ones. Let's see the screen print. Screen print can be used on paper. It doesn't have to be used on material. It can be used on anything. All right, so we've got this nice big heart. Postage stamp heart, that's cute. These are a little crinkly. Little border with hearts. A little cancel, like a stamp with hearts. An arrow. And 2 different roses. That's pretty. And then our word stencils. Let's take a look. Let me, do I have a, here. Let's use this. All right, so we've got Valentine's. Love, that's pretty. We've got lovely. The O is a little heart. Kisses, that's cute. Galentine's. Okay, we're gonna put that one aside. We'll figure that one out. Family. Friendship. And a candy heart. Look at how cute that is. All right, so let's go to the instructions because that's usually where they tell us like the combinations. Because I have never heard of Galentine's, but I don't get around a lot, so I could be missing something. Let's see what the old instruction sheet has to say. All right. Here we go. All right, so kisses and sending to you, sending kisses to you. Here's all the little ones that you can use with the candy, piece of candy. Your love is Swedish, your love is forever. Happy Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's to my love. Hugs and kisses, sending kisses to you. You are lovely, wishing you a lovely day. And then our happy Valentine's Day. Oh, okay. All right. So gal as in gal friend instead of Valen. Okay. I've never heard it, but okay, I get it. I get it. I don't know that any of my single friends would get it though. And I've been single and a widow for 20 years and I didn't get it. Maybe because I'm old. I don't know. Family is the sweetest. Family is forever. Your friendship is the sweetest. Our friendship is forever. So, that is all the word combinations and the answer to the Galentine's Day. So, here's my question. Did you know what Galentine's is? Have you used that word before? Is this a new word that I have never heard of? I mean, being a widow, except for my little grandchildren when they were little, I didn't do Valentine's, after becoming a widow. So somewhere I missed the whole gal part. let me know. Also in comments, let me know if you're still getting the auto ships. Like I said, we only have 2 more. And then this one is over with. But let's be honest, we have enough screen print and glitter paste, and especially tacky paste and texture paste to last us quite a long time. Quite a long time. Luckily, I'm doing another mixed media event in January, so I'll have opportunity to use all these different colors and stuff. So, all right, well, that was your respite from the Everyday Advent Calendar. Hope you guys are watching that and enjoying it. So let me know if you're still getting the mixed media, or if maybe you never did. And please comment on the Valentine's word. So, all right, so if you like the video, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed yet, you can hit the subscribe button. And then there's also a bell, and that will send you notifications every time there's a new video to watch. Right now, it's every day, because we are doing the 24-day Advent calendars. So, oh, and don't forget to share. Sharing is caring. There's a button for that now too. So, all right. So until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.